Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. Big Sal here. I'm about to show you this beautiful Coachmen Liberty Edition Freedom Express. It's a 310 BHDS model. It's a beautiful trailer. Let's take a quick walk around the outside real quick while we're out here. You got your leveling jacks right there, makes it nice and easy. Big undercarriage storage. There's actually even a table in here. They give you a table too, a little picnic table, which is really nice. If you walk around over here, of course we got a beautiful outdoor kitchen. Look at this guy, it's got everything. Nice big fridge out here. Your cooktop's right here, just pulls right out. You just release this little lever. Your nice cooktop. Lots of storage out here, which is nice. It's even got a little place for your silverware and stuff, or tools or fishing gear, whatever you want to put out here to clean your fish or cook or do whatever. It's really a nice feature. Nice big awning out here too. All seamless windows, which are really nice. All right guys, nice thing about this, real big kitchen area, nice cooktop with a cutting board, 3-burner stove top, double sink in here in this rascal. Lots of overhead storage, and they're deep cabinets, so you got a lot of deep storage in there. Your microwave, nice refrigerator in here, good size. And this is a good size trailer, so you need a little bit bigger fridge. Little pantry area here, a lot of storage everywhere. There's storage on this guy. Over here's more storage. Big pantry area. You could even, you know, it's a closet essentially too for the kids for back here. But let's take a look back here. Here's the bunk area. You could sleep 4 back here. These fold out into beds as well. Nice little cool thing. You know, the little kids, they love these little things to climb up and hop up on the bunk. Makes it fun. Plus there's a door back here to close them off. Nice cross vent windows. Lots of lights. Really nice little area for the kiddos. Back in here you got your nice U-shaped kitchen. Nice table here. A lot more storage. Another bed. This pulls out into another bed. Beautiful little TV set. Fireplace. Really nice. Really enhances it in here. Makes it nice. And believe it or not, that little fireplace will heat this little unit up really nice. Plus it looks really cool when it's on. Big area in here. Now this does flip around, so when you're in your bedroom, you can watch TV in the bedroom. Kind of a cool feature as well. Let's take a look in the bedroom. Nice big bed. Lots of storage in here too. You've got doors in here, actually they've slide shut so you can close off so you're separate from the kids. Storage back up above the bed. You got your own reading lights, your own plugs for your phone. Nice little nightstand here as well. Vent up here, and of course nice cross breeze windows to keep you nice and cool on a hot day. Well guys, that was the beautiful Coachmen Freedom Express trailer. If you have any other questions, give Big Sal a call. 951-443-8323. Thanks.